In this video, I'm going to show you how to zoom in MT5. Now there's actually a few ways to do this. I'm going to show you all of them. The first one is by right-clicking on your chart. You could go and click on zoom in over here or zoom out down here, okay? Now what you could also do is press either the plus button on your keyboard. So at the very far right of your keyboard, there's the plus button or the minus button, which is going to basically go and zoom in or zoom out as well. You could also use your keyboard and your mouse. You could hold down your control key on your keyboard, so usually located at the very bottom left of your keyboard, hold down your control key and then use your mouse wheel to scroll either up to zoom out or to scroll down to zoom in like that, okay? Now you could also go and use the plus and minus buttons at the very top in the toolbar of your chart over here. That's also going to zoom in and zoom out your chart, or you could go and enter full screen mode to see better, which you can do by pressing F11 on your keyboard. So the F11 key, which usually is at the very top of your keyboard, just press it and there we go, you'll go into full screen mode. If you want to go out, you can go and press F11 again, and there we go. So those are basically all the ways to kind of zoom in MT5. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.